Hi everyone, in this video I will talking about straightness versus flatness. So what is straightness? Straightness is a measured deviation of a surface within two references and parallel lines with refer to datum. Previously, we already mentioned that the measured deviation of straightness is between the two reference and parallel line. So this is the deviation, the range of two parallel lines that are acceptable for the straightness, to measure the straightness. We've referred to datum, so this is the datum line. We refer with this datum, and these are the two parallel lines, so this is how to measure the straightness. So as you can see with the red line here, indicates the range, the upper side and the lower side. So the straightness should be in between this deviation so that it can consider straight. And the surface is considered straight if all the points on the surface are lying on the same line. And the symbol of straightness is indicated with this symbol, and this is the limit, the tolerance of the straightness. So it is allowed with 0.03. So the range of deviation should be in between 0.03, upper side and the lower side of the parallel lines. So now, what is flatness? Flatness is the deviation of the surface within two reference planes. It looks quite similar with the straightness, but straightness is focused on the two parallel lines, while this flatness is focused on the two parallel planes. So this is the plane. So the flatness is considered between this deviation. So they have to maintain the deviation in between these two parallel planes. These two sets of parallel planes where the entire reference surface must lie on. To consider, they are flat. And for flatness, this is the symbol with tolerance 0.03. So in the drawing, we have to refer to this symbol to know the allowable tolerance of the straightness and the flatness. So as conclusion, we can say that straightness are referred to the two parallel lines, while flatness are referred to the set of two parallel planes. That's all. Thank you.